Hi everybody. So we've done dot mandala earlier, so I thought we'll do pen mandala. Mandala concept remains the same. It is a spiritual and ritual art which was used in Hinduism and Buddhism. Uh, Mandala means circle in Sanskrit, and circle implies at life. So it's a circle of life. So that is why it was used mainly in in religious forms and stuff, and they had a lot of symbols. So the mandala remains the same concept remains as we discussed. Geometrical patterns, uh, repetitive patterns, and what else? So dot mandala, we just did a circle, and we around it we went on with dots. Uh, in the pen art, we will stick to more of designs, and you can paint over it. You can color with color pencils if you want. So what I've already done with the basic here is, so I made my circle with the compass. From the circle, from the middle point, I've divided in equal parts. I don't know what my design is going to be, but just to get started and not waste time, I got this one ready. Can you see it or no? I'm not sure. Yeah, it's okay. So I got this uh, mandala pattern ready, and then on this we're going to start making the design. I hope it's clear. So I have a lot of these pens. I'm going to start with the thin one. So this one I have is an S number of Faber-Castell. These are Pitt artist pens. They are very good. You could get these, and if you don't have this, don't stress. Just take any Pilot pen or whatever you have lying in the house, right? So just remember that designs are similar to what we guys have in our Mendi art. So this is my center point. From here I could do anything I want. I want to start with a little flower. Okay, so I'm going to just take petals, and I've used two here, so I'm going to use two here also. Okay, I hope you are following what I'm doing. If you want, you can make little black spots in the middle. It gives little character, makes it look like it makes it stand out. Yeah. Can you see that? Now from here I could even go zigzag, or I could make another curvy design or something like that. Let's see what. Yeah, this looks more like a leaf design, so let's do this. You can take any design you want. You want to follow some Mehndi art design and follow up a design like that, you can. It can be any geometrical design. See, I made a little error, but it doesn't matter. It still looks like a leaf. Pen mandala is a lot of intricate work, detailed work. I don't think kids are going to enjoy this as much as the dot mandala, until unless they enjoy being so or they have the patience, rather, not more than that, is more of patience involved. I was finding this little odd, so I made an extra petal there, if you're wondering what I'm doing. So there's nothing to do with, like, I made these circles randomly. You could even place them according to your own measurements if you want to leave this equal amount of gaps. If you have a design in hand or something, that's cool. Or you can just go as per as what you feel like doing. You can use a scale if you feel like. Oops, my hand is already shaking now, getting tired. So I hope you're understanding what I'm doing. So I'll just finish the product and show you guys, and I hope you continue doing what you are. Have fun doing it. If there's anything you need to ask, please feel free to message me. Take care.